All right. Man, they really package these things nice. They do a great job at that. Got us another mixing bottle. They're pretty tough. All right, buddy, we ready to see this thing start? All right. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Dave. I thank you all for tuning in to the Hilltops. We got our new G444. We have the G660. Love that saw, lots of power, which encouraged me to buy the 444 as a bucking saw and just another chainsaw. Gotta love it. Let's see how many pulls it takes to start. We just filled it up. Thought I heard it fire on the choke. Let's give it back to the choke again. There we go, just need a little more choke.